I am extremely excited. And if you know, now you know. Xtend-Ur Beauty. Yay, thank you. I received the package. I'm so excited about this one. She only had one in store, and I was able to purchase it, and it went out of sale. Oh my God, look at her. Look at her box. Her box is amazing. It comes with a nice little card on it. It has her information, her Facebook, Instagram, also a card with her information on it. She's just so she's so put together. Look at her. Look at this. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. A thank you card, and she also put a little note. Thank you, Sophie, please enjoy, and it's 15% off the next purchase code. Thank you for that. Dang, I should have used it for my last purchase. But that's okay, I love supporting. And then a cute little mirror and little hearts. Oh my God, I love hearts. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. It's so cute, y'all. And then, of course, sweets and mints. A little thank you, Cersei, that goes in there. I think we're all doing that. And then, guess what? The product, Xtend-Ur Beauty. This is, what is this? Which one's this one? Date night. I'm so excited because tonight we're having a girls' night. So I get to wear this. Y'all, look at this. This is amazing. Look at this. See the color? Oh, that's gonna look amazing on me today. I love it. I love it. So if y'all haven't supported her, y'all go out and support her. Xtend-Ur Beauty. Thank you so much. I received the package.